Good afternoon everyone, my name is Fahmida Saman Rafa and this is my 5th semester. I am from ENV department. Today I am gonna talk about few problems we face in our daily life and their solution. Also which category they belong to in SDG goals. So firstly we are gonna talk about SDG, which stands for Sustainable Development Goals. As part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the United Nations adopted a series of 17 goals known as the Sustainable Development Goals in 2015. These objectives are intended to address a wide variety of global issues and direct activities towards a future that is more equal and sustainable for everyone. These are the 17 SDG goals where there is no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being and more. At first, the problem we face is lack of access to clean water. As Bangladesh faces significant challenges in providing safe and reliable water supply and sanitization services, according to a report by the World Bank, only 62% of the population has access to improved water sources, only 34% have access to improved sanitization facilities. And the solutions are implement water purification system, promote water conservation and invest in infrastructure for clean water. This comes in SDG category 6, clean water and sanitation. Secondly, health challenges are a big issue nowadays, including diseases outbreaks. As we face various health challenges including infections, disease and inadequate health care, infrastructure disease outbreaks such as dengue and cholera are recurrent can concern due to factors like population density, inadequate sanitation. The solutions are strengthened healthcare system, also improve access to medical facilities and invest in preventive health care. This comes in SDG categories 3, which is good health and well-being. Thirdly, we face rapid urbanization and infrastructure development, especially in cities like Dhaka and Chittagong. This growth is driven by factors such as rural to urban migration, industrialization, and economic opportunities. However, it presents challenges like increased traffic congestion, inadequate housing, and strain on public services. The solutions are plan sustainable urban development, invest in green infrastructure, and address challenges related to housing and transportation. This comes in SDG category 1, sustainable cities and communities. Addressing these challenges in Bangladesh requires a context-specific, collaborative approach involving government and non-government organizations and private sections. The SDG offer a framework to guide and prioritize these efforts. These are some problems and their solutions according to our SDG goals. There are more, and that's all. Thank you.